Imagine every morning you wake up feeling stronger, more energized, and fully charged to tackle the day. No more stressing over losing muscle as the years go by. Today's topic might flip your entire view on aging and wellness. We're breaking down the top 7 powerhouse foods that fight off muscle loss, aka sarcopenia, and help you stay strong and full of life. Ever feel like your muscles are getting weaker with time and wonder why? Or maybe you're just looking for natural ways to rebuild your strength and keep it locked in? Then this video is made for you. These foods aren't just healthy, they're total game changers for your body. But first, hit that like button and smash subscribe if you haven't already. It keeps you in the loop on all things wellness and shows us you're serious about taking control of your health. Your support keeps us fired up to bring you the best content out there. In this video, we're counting down from number 7 all the way to the top pick. And trust me, every food on this list packs a punch. You'll get quick, easy tips to slide each one right into your daily routine. Whether you're just getting started with clean eating or dialing in your nutrition game, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's kickstart your path to stronger muscles and a healthier future. Number 7, Greek yogurt. This rich, creamy superfood isn't just a treat. It's a powerhouse for your muscles. What makes it different from regular yogurt? The straining process. It pulls out the extra whey and water, leaving you with a thick protein-packed boost. Almost double the protein of regular yogurt. That's huge when it comes to muscle repair, growth, and bouncing back strong after a tough workout. Just one serving of Greek yogurt can pack up to 20 grams of top-tier protein. Fuel your muscles absolutely love. It delivers the amino acids your body needs to heal, grow, and come back even stronger. And it's not just for gym rats. Anyone wanting to hold on to lean muscle, especially as age tries to take it away, should be reaching for this daily. Greek yogurt isn't just a protein bomb. It's also loaded with calcium, which is key for keeping your bones solid and your muscles firing the way they should. Without enough calcium, your muscles can't contract properly, and that weakens everything from simple movements to your overall strength. And here's the kicker. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics too. These good bacteria help keep your gut healthy, your digestion smooth, and your nutrient absorption on point. That means your body gets the most out of every vitamin, mineral, and macro your muscles need to stay strong. What really takes Greek yogurt to the next level is how insanely versatile it is. Scoop it straight from the container, mix in some fresh berries, toss in chia seeds, or drizzle a little raw honey for that perfect hint of natural sweetness. It's a rock star in smoothies, parfaits, and even works as a creamy, high-protein topping on savory dishes like chili or tacos. Total game changer. Adding Greek yogurt to your daily routine is one of the simplest power moves you can make. It fuels your body, shields your muscles and bones, and boosts your gut health, all in one delicious grab-and-go option. Whether it's part of your breakfast, a quick snack, or post-workout fuel, Greek yogurt delivers the nutrients your body craves to stay strong, steady, and energized. Number 6, eggs. These little powerhouses are absolute gold when it comes to muscle strength, faster recovery, and total body health. Often called nature's perfect protein, eggs deliver one of the most complete and budget-friendly sources of high-quality protein out there. If you're serious about staying strong, eggs need a spot on your plate. Each large egg packs about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein, giving your body all 9 essential amino acids it needs to rebuild and repair muscle after workouts or any physical activity. But eggs bring more than just protein to the table. They're a natural source of vitamin D, crucial for keeping bones strong and muscles firing properly by helping your body absorb calcium. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can feel weak and your bones more fragile, especially as you age. Eggs are also loaded with vitamin B12, a key player in energy production and keeping your nervous system sharp. When your B12 levels are on point, your muscle coordination and performance get a serious boost, keeping you energized and moving strong all day long. Toss in selenium, which backs up your immune system and muscle metabolism, plus choline, which helps nerve signals stay sharp and keeps that brain-muscle connection strong. And it's clear why eggs are a total nutritional powerhouse. One of the greatest things about eggs, their versatility is unmatched. Boil them, poach them, scramble them, fry them, or toss them into a veggie-packed omelet for an extra nutrient punch. They're a meal prep dream. Easy to store, fast to cook, and they slide effortlessly into breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a quick snack. No matter when you eat them, eggs bring the muscle-fueling nutrients your body needs to stay strong, steady, and ready for anything. And we can't ignore one of the best parts. Eggs are incredibly budget-friendly. For just a few cents per serving, you're loading up on premium protein and must-have vitamins that help you hold on to lean muscle, fire up your energy, and boost performance. No pricey supplements needed. So next time you're planning meals, crack a few eggs into the mix. Your muscles and your wallet will be glad you did. Number 5. Quinoa. This ancient grain isn't just trendy, it's a legit powerhouse. Quinoa has been fueling South America for centuries, and now the world's finally catching on. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny seed is packed with benefits and has totally earned its superfood crown. Don't let quinoa's size fool you. It packs a serious nutritional punch. It's one of the few plant-based foods that delivers complete protein, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids your body craves for muscle repair, growth, and recovery. Unlike most grains, quinoa stands out with its high protein content, making it a must-have for keeping lean muscle strong, especially as we age and muscle loss starts creeping in. Quinoa's not just about protein, it's loaded with fiber too. That fiber keeps your digestion running smooth and helps you feel full longer. And that fullness? It's a secret weapon for avoiding overeating, keeping your weight in check, and making sure your metabolism stays steady while your muscles stay protected. Quinoa comes loaded with iron, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, all essential for powering up your energy, boosting muscle function, and helping your body repair itself fast. Plus, it has a low glycemic index, which means it keeps your blood sugar steady. No crazy spikes or crashes like you'd get from refined grains. One of quinoa's biggest wins? It's insanely versatile in the kitchen. With its light, fluffy texture and subtle nutty flavor, it fits into just about anything. Grain bowls, salads, soups, even breakfast porridge. You can swap it in as a gluten-free upgrade for rice or couscous, instantly boosting the texture and nutrition of any meal. It's the kind of ingredient that works hard and tastes amazing doing it. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a quick dinner, quinoa makes it effortless to fuel your body right. It delivers the strength, tone, and resilience your muscles crave. Add it to your weekly lineup. And trust me, your muscles will thank you with every single bite. Number 4, salmon. This rich, flavorful fish isn't just tasty, it's packed with powerhouse nutrients that do serious work behind the scenes. When it comes to fueling and protecting your muscles, salmon earns its place as one of the best foods you can put on your plate. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, those essential healthy fats your body can't make on its own. These fats are game changers when it comes to cutting down inflammation, easing muscle soreness, and speeding up recovery after tough workouts or physical activity. If you're hitting the gym or staying active, salmon helps your muscles bounce back quicker and stay in top shape by slashing that post-workout pain. But salmon's power doesn't stop at omega-3s. It's also packed with complete high-quality protein, around 22 grams in just a 3 Oz serving. That's all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair, rebuild, and keep muscle tissue strong. It's a top pick for preventing muscle breakdown as the years roll on, and a solid ally for building lean, lasting muscle over time. And that's not all. Salmon brings even more muscle-loving nutrients to the table. It's rich in vitamin B12, which boosts energy metabolism and keeps your nerves firing right, key for strength and coordination. Plus, it's got vitamin D to support bone density and help your body absorb calcium, making sure your muscles contract like they should. And let's not forget selenium, a powerful mineral that supports both muscle performance and immune defense. This fish is an absolute powerhouse. What makes salmon even more of a win? It's super easy to cook. Whether you throw it on the grill, bake it, broil it, or sear it in a pan, it slides right into any healthy meal plan without the hassle. Pair it with roasted veggies, toss it over quinoa or leafy greens, or flake it into a salad for a fast muscle-fueling lunch. Adding salmon to your weekly meals isn't just about great taste, it's a smart move for your whole body. Every bite delivers lean protein, muscle support, bone strength, and a steady energy boost. It's a simple, satisfying way to keep your body strong, resilient, and fired up for whatever life throws your way. Number 3, chicken breast. Sitting proudly at the top of the list, chicken breast is the ultimate lean protein powerhouse. And for good reason. It's packed with clean, high-quality protein that fuels muscle growth, speeds up recovery, and helps you stay strong. Whether you're focused on building, maintaining, or just giving your body top-notch fuel, chicken breast gives your muscles exactly what they need to thrive. Just one skinless, boneless chicken breast packs around 26 grams of complete protein in a 3 Oz serving. That's a serious hit of essential amino acids. The exact building blocks your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle after intense activity. This makes chicken breast a go-to choice for anyone serious about strength, recovery, and results. What really sets chicken breast apart isn't just the protein. It's how lean it is. Low in fat and high in nutrition, it's perfect for anyone chasing a lean, strong physique without loading up on extra calories. You get the muscle support you need while keeping your body composition in check, making it a powerful tool for long-term, sustainable fitness results. Beyond protein, chicken breast is packed with B vitamins, especially niacin, B3, and vitamin B6, that fire up your energy metabolism. These nutrients help your body turn food into fuel, keeping your muscles powered through every workout and primed for smooth recovery after. Plus, vitamin B6 plays a key role in nerve function, making sure your muscles contract and coordinate properly when it's time to move, lift, or push through. Chicken breast also brings selenium to the table, a powerful trace mineral that backs up your thyroid, boosts immune health, and supports cellular repair. All of these work together to keep your muscles strong, steady, and built to last. Chicken breast isn't just a nutrition star, it's a total kitchen MVP. Grill it, bake it, roast it, stir-fry it, shred it into salads, or slice it up for wraps. The options never run out. Its mild flavor makes it super easy to work into any meal plan without ever feeling repetitive. When you make chicken breast a regular part of your routine, you're giving your muscles a steady stream of what they need to grow stronger, recover faster, and perform better every single day. Whether you're hitting the gym or just staying sharp and energized, this lean protein is the gold standard for muscle-fueling nutrition. Number 2, spinach. This dark leafy green might look simple, but it's doing way more than just adding color to your plate. It's fueling your muscles with every bite. Spinach is one of the most underrated powerhouses out there, loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that directly support muscle strength, performance, and faster recovery. Don't sleep on this green. It's a game changer. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you over 100% of your daily vitamin K, key for strong bones and solid joint support, both crucial for top-tier muscle performance. It's also packed with vitamin A to power up cell growth and tissue repair, plus vitamin C, which helps crank out collagen, fight off illness, and cut down inflammation. All of that adds up to faster recovery and more active, pain-free days. Spinach really shows off when it comes to magnesium, a powerhouse mineral your muscles can't function without. It's key for muscle contraction, nerve signals, and keeping your energy levels up. Without enough of it, you're looking at cramps, weakness, and serious fatigue. And don't forget the iron. Spinach is packed with it, helping your body make hemoglobin, the protein that delivers oxygen straight to your muscles. That means better performance, more endurance, and strength that lasts. Here's another big win. Spinach is packed with powerful antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and quercetin. These protect your muscle tissue from oxidative stress and free radical damage that can build up after intense workouts or long physical activity. They help slash inflammation, speed up recovery, and keep your muscles in top shape so you can stay strong, active, and ready for more. And don't forget about the fiber. Spinach delivers a solid dose of it. That fiber keeps your gut healthy, helps your digestion stay on track, and boosts how well your body absorbs nutrients. The better the absorption, the more fuel your muscles get for repair, growth, and all-around strength. Adding spinach to your meals is super simple and crazy versatile. Throw it into salads, blend it into smoothies, mix it with scrambled eggs, or stir it into soups and sautés. You can even sneak it into pasta sauces or protein bowls for a hidden nutrient boost. Raw or cooked, spinach is an easy, no-excuse win for your daily diet. When you add spinach to your routine, you're doing way more than just eating your greens. You're giving your body the tools it needs to build, protect, and maintain strong, resilient muscles, one powerful forkful at a time. Number 1. Almonds. These crunchy little gems might be small, but don't let that fool you. They're loaded with muscle-loving fuel. Almonds are a powerhouse snack that helps you build and protect strength with every bite. When it comes to keeping your muscles in peak shape, almonds bring the goods. Packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, and key micronutrients, almonds are a recovery powerhouse. Just 1 ounce gives you around 6 grams of protein, perfect for helping your muscles bounce back after a tough workout. That protein goes straight to work, repairing the tiny tears that happen during exercise and rebuilding stronger, more resilient muscle fibers over time. Thanks to their natural dose of essential fatty acids, almonds help dial down inflammation, ease muscle soreness, and speed up recovery between workouts. But they're not just about protein and healthy fats. Almonds are also loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields your muscle cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. That protection is crucial after intense training, when your muscles are most vulnerable to breakdown and need serious backup to stay strong. Vitamin E acts like armor for your muscles, cutting down inflammation and protecting those fibers from breaking down. But almonds don't stop there. They're also packed with magnesium, a powerhouse mineral that helps your muscles contract, relax, and recover properly. It's your first line of defense against cramps, fatigue, and sluggish nerve-to-muscle communication. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can feel tight, weak, and slow to bounce back after any physical effort. Almonds go beyond just muscle support. They're a quick, natural energy boost too. Thanks to their perfect combo of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, they're an ideal pre-workout snack to power your performance or a post-workout bite to kickstart recovery. Plus, they help you stay full longer, curb cravings, and support a lean body. Key for keeping that hard-earned muscle mass right where it belongs. The best part? Almonds are insanely versatile. Toss them into smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, stir them into yogurt, or just grab a handful straight up. However you enjoy them, almonds deliver a tasty, no-fuss way to fuel your muscles and keep your body strong, flexible, and full of energy. So next time you're craving a snack, skip the junk and grab some almonds. You're not just curbing hunger, you're making a smart move for muscle strength, faster recovery, and long-term performance. We're genuinely thankful you joined us today to dive into these powerful tips. Thank you for watching. We hope the insights you picked up gave you both real value and a fresh dose of motivation as you keep pushing towards stronger, healthier muscles, one smart choice at a time. Remember, real progress doesn't happen overnight. It's the small, consistent choices you make every day that lead to big changes over time. If this video gave you new insight or a fresh way to approach your health, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe so you never miss more simple, science-backed tips. Your support fuels us to keep bringing you content that lifts you up and keeps you moving forward. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep chasing that stronger, more vibrant version of you. We'll see you in the next one.